Hello and welcome to Hands-on Equations, lesson number 26. This is a lesson where we're going to focus on moving to the pictorial solution and then to the written solution. So we're not actually using the pawns and cubes, but we're using pictures of them to help us solve. So for this first problem, we're going to look at what we've got and draw the pictorial solution. So we start with 4 x's. So we have pawn, 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 and we have a 4 cube. Then we have 2 x's and a 20 cube. So let's think about how we can solve this. One of our legal moves is that if we have something on both sides of the equation, we can cancel that out. And in this case, we have a pawn on both sides. So I'm going to take that and move it off, that and move it off. And that leaves us with 3 pawns plus a 4 equals 20. So I'm going to redraw this just so that we know the steps we're taking. Okay, so we have 3 pawns left plus a 4 is equal to 20. So now we need to get all of our numbers, or what we call constants, because the value is the same. We need to get 4 and 20 together. But if we have a positive 4, the only way to get rid of that is by making a 0 pair. And if we do a 0 pair on the left, we have to do a 0 pair on the right. So these cancel out. We have 20 minus 4. So we have 3 stars, (20 minus 4 is 16).